Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, download the official AMD driver for your exact GPU model. This avoids generic drivers. Make sure Device Manager is open and that you have the extracted Display Driver Uninstaller removes lingering files. Once done, boot into safe mode for a clean uninstall. This prevents Windows from reinstalling the wrong driver mid-process. These steps set a safe foundation and save time troubleshooting later. Now, boot into safe mode to stop the system from locking driver files. Run the and select GPU then AMD, click Clean and Restart. The removes registry entries, driver files, and hidden packages Windows might reuse. After the restart, open Device Manager and verify the display adapter shows as Microsoft Basic Display Adapter or is absent. This ensures no remnants remain that could trigger Windows Update to pick the wrong driver when you install the fresh. With the system clean, run the AMD installer as administrator and select a custom or clean install to ensure only the correct components install. After installation, reboot and open Radeon software to confirm functionality. Check Device Manager for the exact AMD driver version. If Windows Update tries to replace it later, use the Microsoft Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to block the wrong package. If performance or crashes persist, restore the point you made and retry with a different stable driver build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.